So hey guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 9th September 2024 of the day 278, and today is the Monday. So before going to the start today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize to that, and please forgive me that I have done some mistake. That is what from the last too many days I was unable to shoot the routine video just because of some reason, but now I'm gonna to change now I'm gonna to solve my mistake, and now I'm gonna to tell you all the skip days routine video. First I'll shoot the skip days routine video, and after that I'll shoot the present days routine video, so that harmony will be at a perfect manner. Harmony will not discord. Okay, so basically now in your mind the question was arise that how I know that what I have done in the past days, how I know it a very proper manner. So thing is simple that I have already wrote down in the notebook, and so that after that I look here and I got to remember that what I had done actually on that day, so that I can tell you all the things what's actually happened. So let's start. So basically today I woke up at around 8 a.m. and basically I was at ground floor. I woke up at 8 a.m. and after that basically my father searching some documents like something like Aadhaar card. So I helped him to find the Aadhaar card. Yeah. So yeah, basically my day starts from there. And after that I went to the first floor and I was studied. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened at the time of morning. And after that I came to the ground floor, and after that I've taken the bath. I don't know when I washed my mouth today, like brushing my teeth. I don't know before going to the first floor or after coming to ground floor, but I washed my mouth, or I think so. Okay, so after that I have taken the bath, and basically after that I was saved. Okay, so afterwards first I have taken the bath, I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. And after that I brought water in bucket, and after that I ate food. Okay, after that I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. I just only watched the TV and I used my phone. And after that I came to the first floor. Basically my sister treats me noodles. Basically after that I ate, and this is the thing which was actually happened on that day. And after that I ate, after that I studied. Basically this is the thing which was actually happened till yet. I hope you'll understand till yet. So basically throughout the whole day I didn't do too much thing, but let me tell you what actually I've done. Small thing. Let me tell you. I went to the ground floor after some time, and I ate food while watching the TV. Okay. After that, I searched the issue about the college book. Basically, I'm doing a BCom honors. So basically, I'm just trying to search something about the when college book releases, when the appointment will be done for the college books. So I've searched about this in YouTube as well as the college site. Like I'm doing basically this is the thing which was actually happened till yet, and I was just trying to solve the issue, but at the end I think that I've solved the issue. Okay, so after that, at the time of evening, my father brought samosa for me. I ate, and also after that my sister brought chow mein for me. I ate again, and after that I didn't do much thing. I spent my time with my family. Okay, so till yet this is the thing what actually happened, and I hope you understand till yet. So after that I went for the sleep in ground floor, and I used phone, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you will understand till yet. If you will understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. And one thing I just only want to request you that if you found any kind of error in my videos, like any grammatical error or any English language error, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section. I will really appreciate it that you are trying to help me, to improve my English speaking skills. So yeah. So let's learn daily 5 vocabulary. Okay. So our first word is crackers. Cracker means guys पटाखे. Okay. So दिवाली में हम पटाखे बहुत जलाते हैं. We burn crackers too much in Diwali, but पटाखे वातावरण के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा it seems like बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब है. It is very bad for the environment. Crackers are very bad for the environment. Our second word is pitcher. Pitcher means guys पिचकारी. बच्चे होली में बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिचकारी से खेलते हैं. Children plays too much with pitcher at the time of Holi. Our third word is sniff. Sniff means सूंघना. So it's so so um, basically I went somewhere and I tried to sniff that the taste of food. Okay, so our fourth word is mix. Mix means मिलाना. यह सब तुमने कैसे मिलाया? How you have mixed this all the things. And last but not least, our word is embroidery thread means कढ़ाई धागा. So कपड़ों में कढ़ाई करना बहुत ही अच्छा होता है धागे की मदद से. It is very good to embroider your clothes with the help of thread. It's literally very good. So basically guys, this is the 5 words which we have learned today. So let's revise again. Crackers means patake, pitcher means pichkari, sniff means sungna, mix means milana, embroidery thread means kadhai dhaga. A kind of thread which people try to do embroidery or kadhai. Okay, so let's discuss one of the topic that what's the impact of the artificial intelligence on job. Okay, so basically according to my point of view, not only my point of view, basically I listen also the from the on the YouTube. Okay, basically if just because of if artificial intelligence came in our world, then lots of job, lots of people away from their job, but lots of people also get their job who have interest in the artificial intelligence. So they got an, if they have interest, then they can also get a good job. If they suppose that it is the it is a straight line of the job, an artificial intelligence came, so somebody's job get down and somebody's job got up. So it's simple. And yeah, and basically people should, it starts from the very first, they should learn the new technology and from the beginning, so that they can they can samna karna, they can do they can fight with the artificial intelligence. So let me write it. I have confused like in samna karna, so let me write it so that I can forget. So yeah, this is the all the thing. So people from actually also parents should encourage their child to learn something new things, but at a proper dictate manner. So they use artificial intelligence at a very particular manner. And in case of job, basically the hackers as well as the persons who is doing the illegal activity, they use the artificial intelligence at a very bad manner, and it will leads to the very bad effect to the environment, and people's mind got divert just because of the artificial intelligence which is done by the hacking manner or any bad manner. So it will really very bad impact for that. It will really harm the people very much. Okay, so yeah, and and what can I tell you that the impact of artificial intelligence on job? So basically, yeah, it's normal. Basically, time to time, if times came, then artificial intelligence increased day by day at a very soon manner, and we should think about it at a very proper manner. Or in some case, if artificial intelligence doing not the right work, so we should ban them. Or if we not ban, then we should take proper action to that particular area or path. Okay, so basically this is the all the things about the impact of artificial intelligence on job. And yeah, so basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened till yet. And one thing I have already told you, that if you found any kind of mistake, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I will really appreciate you. And just because of that, I'm improving my some of the parts. I'll improve my English speaking skills. So yeah, and this is the all the things which I already told you. And we day by day I'll try to learn, not we will, I'll try to learn, I'll try to discuss, not learn, I'll try to discuss topics. Like today I've discussed the impact of artificial intelligence on job. So yeah, so we will discuss and daily. So yeah guys, I think that it is enough for today, so let's end the video guys. See you later, bye bye.